right, are you ready for some football? I hope. A couple of Uber chefs who are also Uber fans. Joining us today is Patrick Connolly, the Kitchen NYC, whose brother happens to be Dan Connolly, center for the New England Patriots. Huge fan. And over here we have Iron Chef Mark Forgione. Soon to open, I want to get this right, American Cut at Revel, Atlantic City. Gentlemen, welcome to you both.
Thank you.
We also have a special judge for you today, none other than Miss America 2012, Lauren. Very good to have you. I could be bought, but I know you are above reproach. I first want to ask you, why are you here? Why are you here in Indianapolis this weekend?
Well, I'm here for the Taste of the NFL, which is a great charity that raises money for food banks all across America. So if anyone at home wants to donate, they can visit KickHungerChallenge.com.
KickHungerChallenge.com.
Yes, and donate on behalf of their favorite NFL city.
You ready to judge?
I'm ready to judge.
All right, here we go. Pat, we're going to start with you. So what are you making for us today, sir?
All right, we're doing our ode to New England. We're going to do a big, huge lobster roll. So we're going to start with, that's right. I didn't even ask for that. A bunch of lobster meat. We're going to do kind of a deconstructed tartar sauce, some cornichons, some hard-boiled egg.
And Pat, I do want to ask you, what's it like as an inveterate Patriots fan working in New York City?
You know,